red light on?
Yeah, now it is.
It's actually really
Okay.
nice.
Wait, you like using the after? It's not great. But it's really big.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. His room is really nice, and he's got cool roommates. It's like you depend on your roommates. Like he's got pretty smart roommates. And
Wait, it's
stuff.
not awesome. Where is it?
It's between like the Bilo and like here.
Oh, that's not awful.
Yeah. He has to take the cat bus every morning.
Oh wait, they have cat buses. Why wouldn't I be okay with? I can do that.
You have to be on time
Yeah.
a lot.
And you gotta, it's just like you have to bring all your stuff with you. So it's like you can't just come back here going to grab some more books and things.
Oh, that's true too. Unless I use something from the wall.
You could. It's like I thought about it. It's like his room was really nice. Like the apartment was super clean and stuff. But like that seems awesome. But then like have your own personal bath. Like each room has their own personal bathroom, shower, and the bedroom themselves. Like that's nice. Like then you have like a big kitchen, big living room. It's like that would be cool. But then again.
But the only thing is that I have to hang out with people all the time.
Yeah.
No, I can take the cat bus and meet people. But I can be my neighbor. Hey, did you go to that free food place? That was called it free food.
What?
Did you go?
Where?
Bam!
Oh no.
Bam!
I came back here.
Whoa!
Flip, flip.
Holy crud!
We've been talking this whole time.
I know. Okay, last thing. Did you go to
Go
the
robot. Go robot.
What?
Go robot. Is
the
that
free
it?
food
It's
thing?
done. Wait,
Yay.
wait, you should pull it up and like says everything.
Where's the free food at?
And
Like-
wait a
it's
minute.
done.
Come out tonight.
You're gonna mute that, right?
Hope so.
All right, that's